Well, hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're someone new and watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Tashi and I post videos related to makeup, fashion and lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about ankle issue. So I'm going to be talking about my empties. So I have all of my empty products here with me. Most of the products are skincare and hair care. I do not have any makeup in this because makeup is really difficult to finish and I do not do makeup on daily basis because I'm working from home, do not have to go to office. So makeup is a little difficult to finish, but I do have my favorites, but I think I'll keep that for some other video. So to begin with, I'll start with the skincare first. Okay. So starting off with the face wash, I have this one. This is called Saliac. It's a salicylic acid based face wash for acne, oily prone skin.
क्या बोला तूने?
Oh, acne prone oily skin. We all know that salicylic acid is really good for your acne. And if you know this Dr. Nivedita Dadu, I've seen her on YouTube and Instagram, and even I have met her, like I've booked an appointment with her in past for my allergy, and she's a really good dermat. So I watched a video saying that salicylic acid works best when it is used as a face wash. I've used salicylic acid as in a serum as well, but didn't work that great as it works as a face wash. So if you have acne, just skip your salicylic acid based serum and go for a face wash instead. You can try this one. This one is not that drying and it works really well for acne, and I finished a lot of bottles of this particular face wash. This one is my 15th 16th bottle because I've been using this face wash for a year now. So this one was the recent finish and I've ordered the new one. So that's that. Second thing, we can go for the moisturizer. Now this particular moisturizer, trust me, this is a very good moisturizer for acne prone skin. This one was suggested to me by my dermat. So before my wedding I went for the facials and I did not go for some salon based facials. I went for this facial from my dermat from Dehradun. So she suggested me this this moisturizer and it is amazing. The name is Hydroactive and it's a gel cream, so it's not a proper cream, not a very thick cream, it's very lightweight cream. I've just kept little bit to show the texture in the video, and see this just melts into the skin. See the shine, it gives a very cooling effect. So you can try this one if you have again acne prone skin or combination or oily skin. This one is also my fourth or fifth purchase. I think new pack is always in stock. Then I have this under eye cream, Eye Bliss. Again, I saw this one, I think on Instagram or somewhere. I thought of just giving it a try and it works good. And this is such a huge quantity, 15 grams for an eye cream. I think it's a lot quantity because you need less than a pea size amount for both your eyes. And I think it lasted me for like 5 months, I think. So new pack is already ordered because I really saw some difference in my under eye. Maybe it's also because of the diet. I am following a good diet, I work out. Maybe it's because of that also, I'm not really sure, but I like to add it in my skincare routine, so I have it. Next up is sunscreen. Now you all know this brand Dot & Key and their love for sunscreens. Like they have launched a lot of sunscreens, a lot of variety of them, right? I got this one in the mattifying sunscreen, but it's not all mattifying. It gives you a dewy finish and I love dewy finish. And this one is niacinamide for oily acne prone skin. Again, that is why I got this one. The one thing I don't like about the sunscreen is the packaging because it is so hard. Okay, and I think I like the packaging with packaging like this is good for moisturizer or sunscreen because we can squeeze the last bit, but in this you can't squeeze anything because it's such a hard plastic. But again, this one was also, texture was very light, very mild, a little bit gel like, but this one is fully finished. I've ordered the other one and the bigger size, so I will show you the texture of this one as well. Niklo here, see, दिख रहा है? Very lightweight. I love it, and it also gives a cooling effect. Both the moisturizer and my sunscreen, they give a cooling. Whoa! They give a cooling effect, guys. Now the next thing is the hand cream, which is completely, इसको तो बस काटना ही बाकी रह गया है. And I think this is also my 6th or 7th purchase. I really can't stress enough on how beautiful the formula is. So I keep washing my hands. Even if I'm cooking, if I'll cut an onion, I'll wash my hands. If I'll cut something, I'll wash my hands. Every other step, I'll wash my hands in cooking. And I think that makes my hands really dry. So I need a hand cream. I also have the L'Occitane hand cream that was really expensive. But this one is better than the L'Occitane one. Any day. So I keep on repurchasing this. Finished a lot of tubes. I'll show you the texture. The fragrance is to die for. I mean, if you love coconut and vanilla-ish khushbu, you will definitely love it. It's really nice and moisturizing and khushbudar. Okay, that was all that I've emptied in past 2 months. Next we have is hair care. Now in hair care, I tried this brand, Requel. So this one was anti-frizz and smoothing hair conditioner. The fragrance was nothing. There was no fragrance. Both of them were fragrance free. It had a little bit of chemically kind of a fragrance, but you can't feel it or smell it on your hair. How can you feel the fragrance? Paglu, this one was anti-frizz and I liked it. So it claims that it reduces frizziness and retains hydration, makes hair smooth and shiny and does not build up. Very true. It does not build up. My hair was very voluminous and frizz free. I liked how it performed. That's why it's completely empty. I finished it to its every inch and I think I might repurchase it. The price was also not, the price is great. It's 295 guys. 295 rupees ka 150 ml product हमें मिला था. I like it. I will repurchase it. Next is this hair mask. Deep Nourishment Hair Mask. Now this one has pea protein and ceramides. And does it claim anything? Okay, yeah, it claims makes hair soft and smooth, repairs dry, damaged, frizzy hair, thick and creamy formulation. And when it says thick, it really is thick. I've again left a little bit to show you guys. Look at this. This mask was really thick. I just left this much in the tub to show you guys that how thick it was, and it really made my hair soft and smooth. But it was so thick that I did not use it on my scalp because I was not sure if this will build up or not. But for my ends, it worked really well and it really helped to tame the frizz down. So I will for sure go for this mask again, and you should also give it a try. Oops, now my hands are slippery. But I want to tell you the price. This one was for $5.95. For how much? For 200 grams, $5.95. I think it's a decent price for a mask because all the hair masks, in this quantity come under this price range. So yeah, I think it was a very good product. Okay, so for the last product, I have this Moroccan oil hair treatment oil.
Hair treatment oil कहते हैं इसको, Moroccan oil treatment Moroccan oil.
This chooses इसका नाम लिखा है, but whatever, you get my point. Moroccan oil, this one is very famous product and this is a very nice product. It has a very beautiful scent to it, a very Ayurvedic kind of scent to it, and I like Ayurvedic scents. If you have seen my previous video, this one I got as a freebie. This one is a 10 ml product and I finished it off in a month. So I think you need just 10 ml for a month for this hair length, and I used it after hair wash every alternate day and at night. The same thing. I loved it. Definitely repurchasing this one again. So yeah, that was all the products that were emptied in the previous months, and all of them were good. Half of them I've repurchased, few of them I will be repurchasing. So yeah, that was it for today's video. See you in another one. Bye.